Hi, this is Laurent Cornillo, Senior Solution Architect from the Pre-Sales EMEA Center of Excellence at Qlik. Today we're going to see the installation and configuration of ACP connector within the Qlik Data Gateway Direct Access. This presentation will not cover the installation of the gateway itself, nor the configuration inside ECP environments, e.g. transport import, write configuration, but I will provide you the info to access the necessary resources to cover these points. So here's the agenda. First, we'll do a quick review of what is the Qlik Data Gateway Direct Access. Then we'll see the connectivity options between ACP and Qlik Cloud. We'll continue with the new ACP connectors available with the Data Gateway Direct Access. Then we'll see the installation and the configuration of these new connectors. And finally, we'll see how to create a data connection with these connectors. Businesses commonly enforce strict firewall policies that block external access to the data sources. This presents a challenge when such businesses need to access the data from the cloud for analytics. Qlik Data Gateway Direct Access overcomes this challenge by eliminating the need to open inbound firewall ports. Operating behind your organization firewall, the Direct Access Gateway allows Qlik and SaaS application to securely access behind the firewall data over a strictly outbound, encrypted, and mutually authenticated connection. The high-level communication sequence is as follows. The Direct Access Gateway establishes a mutually authenticated and encrypted connection to Qlik Cloud using HTTPS. Qlik Cloud sends a load statement to the Direct Access Gateway. The Direct Access Gateway relays the query to the relevant data source. The data is then pushed directly from the data source to Qlik Cloud over WSS. Nota bene. Data is always in transit and never physically resides on the Direct Access Gateway server. A unique key pair is established for each Direct Access Gateway server connected to the Qlik Cloud tenant. This key pair is used for authentication and for end-to-end data encryption on top of the HTTPS transport level encryption. On this slide, we see the different options to connect to ACP systems from Qlik Cloud Analytics. Qlik follows ACP's best practices to expose ACP data to third-party applications. The customer can choose which way to go, through exposing within the ACP Cloud Platform or using our secure gateway. Regarding ACP Cloud Platform, ACP HANA Cloud could be connected through the ACP HANA JDBC connector and expose CDS view or data services through a REST connection. For client-managed ACP systems, we propose a Qlik connector for ACP via Qlik Data Gateway Direct Access. And for ACP system in virtual private clouds, we will propose the same Qlik connector for ACP or a REST connection via Qlik Data Gateway Direct Access. Two new connectors are available for ACP BW and ACP CQL within Qlik Data Gateway Direct Access. They require Qlik Data Gateway Direct Access 1.210 or later. Installation and configuration. Both connectors require ACP NetWeaver RFC SDK. You can download it from ACP download site. An account is needed to do so. Once the SDK package is on your data gateway server, right-click on it, go to Properties, check if it's blocked or not. If blocked, unblock it. Then extract all the content of the zip file. Then go to the live folder in it, copy all the content and paste it under C program file, Qlik connector agent, run ACP connectors. Once done, go to the services and restart the Qlik Data Gateway Direct Access service. This concludes the installation of the ACP NetWeaver RFC SDK. After installing the SDK, you need to install the ACP transport. As I said earlier, this part is not covered in this session, but I'm going to show you now where to find the necessary resources to do it. Go to our help site. In the search box, enter ACP transports and click Enter. Click on the link installing the ACP transport. In the downloading transport section, click on the link Qlik download site. Now enter your credential to log into the Qlik community. In the product area, select Qlik connector for use with ACP NetWeaver and click on the download link corresponding to the transports. Go back to our help site. Click on the release note link. In the product section, search for ACP. Select Qlik's ACP connectors. Click on the link for the article of the release note and click on the installation guide link. Then you just have to follow the instruction to import the transports and configure the connectors. Let's now create data connections to ACP sources. On your tenant, go for example in your personal space, click on Space Details, Data Sources, click on Add Connection, enter ACP, choose ACP CQL, select your data gateway, then enter the host of your ACP server, then the client, the system NR, the username, and finally the password. Test the connection. If the connection is successful, click on Close and Create. Go back to Add Connection, enter ACP. Now select ACP BW, choose the same gateway, enter the host again, the client, the system NR, the username, the password, and click on Test Connection. Once the connection is successful, click on Close and Create. Both data connections are created. Thanks for watching this video. See you for next episode.